Want to keep your Windows 11 look clean, modern and premium? In this video, I'll show you how to customize Windows 11 using Windhawk to easy and safe tweaks. We will customize different parts of Windows include the Start menu setting, Notification Center, File Explorer and Taskbar. We will also add beautiful translation effect to give your desktop a fresh and modern look. I will explain every part clearly so beginner can follow along easily. You will learn how to apply easy customization safely and transform the look of your Windows 11 desktop. By the end of this video, we will see amazing Windows 11 can look those simple changes. If you want a stylish, unique and modern desktop setup, this video is for you. So let's get started and create a beautiful Windows 11 desktop that you will enjoy using every day. First, we need to install Windhawk. I have already installed on my system, but if you don't have it, you can download it from the official link. I will provide all download link in this video description box. Next, unzip the Windhawk styler file and open the folder. I will use this customization on my PC and I will show you how to apply it step by step. Okay, now set the wallpaper. Choose the wallpaper file and apply it to your desktop to match the new Windows 11 customization. Okay, open Windhawk and search for Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. Click on the details page and then click install. Now open folder and go to Windows 11 File Explorer Styler script. Select all the code and copy it. Next, open Windhawk. Go to Advanced tab and paste it script here. Click Preview to check the File Explorer changes. This default. So click Save. Wow, your File Explorer now has a fresh new look. Now open Windhawk and search for Windows 11 Notification Center Styler. Click on Details page and then click Install. Now open the folder and go to Windows 11 Notification Center Styler script file. Select all code and copy it. Next, open Windhawk. Go to Advanced tab and paste it script here. Click Preview to check the notification center changes. These default settings are okay. So click Save. Wow, your notification center now has a fresh new look. Now open Windhawk and search for translation windows. Click on the details page. Check it default look. And then click install. Okay, now the translation effects have been added. Wow, your Windows interface look more modern and beautiful with those new visual effects. If you have any visibility problem with the translucent Windows effects, you can fix them by adding the application to the exclusion list. If you are not sure which executable name to use, follow those steps. To open the application, press Ctrl Shift and EXE to open the Task Manager. Go to Details tab and found the application. Right click on it and copy the executable name. For the example, notepad.exe. Finally, add that name to the exclusion list of translation Windows setting. List in the translation Windows setting. Then save it. Open again Windhawk and search for Taskbar height and icon size. Click on the details page and then click install. Open folder. Taskbar height and icon size script. Copy all. Advance and paste it here. Click save. Open Windhawk and search for Windows 11 Taskbar installer. Click on the details page and then click install. Open the folder and go to Windows 11 Taskbar installer script file. Select all code and copy it. Next, open Windhawk. Go to Advanced tab and paste it script here. Click preview the check the taskbar changes. The default setting are okay, so click save. Wow, your taskbar now has a fresh and modern look. Open Windhawk and search for Windows 11 setting installer. Click on the details page and then click install. Now open the folder and go to Windows 11 setting installer script. Select all code and copy it. Next, open Windhawk. Go to Advanced tab and paste it script here. Click Save to apply the changes. Wow, your setting app now has a fresh and modern look. and search for Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Click on the details page and then click install. Open the folder again. Go to Windows 11 Start Menu Styler script file. Select all code and copy it. Next open Windhawk. Go to Advanced tab and paste it script here. Now click Save to apply the changes. Wow, your start menu now has a fresh and modern look. Now open the task manager, check Windhawk RAM uses. It uses around 3.1 MB, so it is very lightweight. That's it, your Windows 11 is now customized with a clean, modern and premium look using Windhawk. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.